Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration. In this video we're going to continue working on the Suzuki Lj80. Now in our previous video we actually ran out of time trying to prep this front grille and that back door for primer. In this video we're going to finally get these bottom two sections welded, we're going to get this prep for primer, we're going to sort that back valance out and prime the lot. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on and prep the lot. Right, so in the previous Lj80 video, we actually made these sections here, except for this thicker section that's below. Now, I tacked them in just to make sure everything fits nicely. But what I do need to do is I need to weld little bits to these thicker plates that are underneath. Now, these are just spot welded on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these back apart. I'm gonna weld the bits that I need to do on these thicker plates, and then I can get these finally welded in properly. And then complete any more bodywork that's on this lower section, and then that should be this and that door just about complete, ready for primer. Right, so I've done a lot of work off camera on these because these have been a pain to try and get straight. Now, they're not perfect, but they are very close to being perfect. Now, I'm running out of time. Right, so today's Saturday and we've been filming and I've been editing the video that drops on Saturday, which was yesterday when you're watching this, but it's actually tonight for me, but it's yesterday for you because this is dropping Sunday morning. So I'm just gonna pop these on the stands. I'm gonna mix the primer real quick and then I can get these primed and hopefully that should be a wrap for this video. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've got the primer on these panels. There's a couple of little areas that I do need to address, but we'll sort that in the next video. As for this video, that's going to be a wrap for this video. Make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. And with that being said, I've got to edit this video and try and release it in not very long. In this video, I'm going to continue working on the Suzuki Lj80. You may have seen our last video